Staying up late to watch the football? You might as well stick the wash on while you're at it, especially if you're on a time of use tariff, which offers cheaper electricity at night.
Are these your socks?
Don't judge me. This summer, we're encouraging people to watch and wash. In other words, get their washing done while they watch England games at night to make the most of off-peak electricity prices. So, to get the people thinking, we've turned a back garden into a football pitch. Kind of. We've got legends and 3 ridiculous watch and wash challenges, so let's have some fun. First up, top washing bins. Simple. Chip the ball into the basket in front of you. The off-peak baskets will get you 5 points. The super off-peak baskets will get you 10 points. This is all inspired by the fact that shifting your electricity usage to nighttime could save you money. There's 2 parts to this. The off-peak hours where you save later in the evening, and the super off-peak where you save even more in the early hours. You've all got 8 attempts each. The highest score wins. What do you reckon? Tony, I feel like you're gonna be the favorite in this.
I'm back on Jay-Z.
Yeah? Okay, you're the favorite then.
8 attempts?
definitely.
No. You got, listen. I've seen so.
Yeah?
You got a bit. Yeah, I've seen it.
Ray, what are you saying? Where are you gonna be?
I'm going to go Jermain, Tony, me.
Okay, that means you might have to go first then.
No pressure on him, right?
All right, let's get straight into it.
Oh, that's nice. Smooth.
Yes.
Oh, it's gone in. That counts.
No, that don't count.
Feeling warm now.
Oh!
Yes.
Oh! Let's go. Oi! There we go.
Oh my days, that's so unlucky.
Yes.
Oh, wowzers.
After challenge number 1, top washing bins, Jermain is on 10, Ray's on 0, and Tony is on 0. For this game, you'll have to take free kicks and have to hit the shirt on the washing line. This is where our off-peak and super off-peak hours come into play. Hit an off-peak shirt and you get 5 points. Hit a super off-peak shirt and you get 10 points. 10 balls and the highest points wins. Jermain, how you feeling?
Yeah, good. This is doable. I think I'll go for the 10 points.
I love that. Confident, Ray. I'm not gonna lie. Your career didn't really take that many free kicks.
No.
You feeling good about it?
I'm feeling very good, but with some of the teammates I played with, you couldn't get nowhere near the free kicks.
I understand. I believe in you though.
Oh, thanks, mate.
Like that. Let's
You
get
sure?
straight into it. Yeah, I do. Let's go.
Just going for the zinger.
Under the wall. Oh my gosh. Sorry. There we go.
Nice.
There we go.
Oh, she took it out. She took it off as well.
That's proper.
It's a good start.
Yes.
The peg, hit the peg. Let's take those.
Oh.
Oh my days.
I win.
Love it.
I went for it.
You did.
The ball's just gone like that.
After Smart Energy Shootout, Jermain's now on 55 points, Ray's on 30, and Tony's on 25. The final challenge is our toughest challenge yet. Spin and score. Similar to a penalty kick, but you'll need to find the washing machine to score points. 6 balls each, you'll get 5 points for hitting the washing machine, but get it straight in and you win 50 points. That sound good?
Nice.
Sound good? Okay. You must aim for each washing machine twice, starting from left to right. Left to right, you get it?
It's not right to left.
No, left to right. Let's get straight into it. Let's go. Oh, he's got 5 points though. Go on, Tony. Oh! Let's get 50 points.
Sun's out for you, Ray.
Unlucky.
Oh.
Ooh.
10.
Oh, that's good effort.
That's close though. I'd toe poke it. Oh.
Oh, he's missed it.
Clipped it
Oh,
though.
that didn't.
Nice.
No, that didn't.
Oh, that don't
He
count.
clipped it.
I didn't hear nothing.
Clipped it. So that's a wrap, guys. What a performance from our players. Let's get a round of applause. Let's see who's won the trophy today. Drum roll, please. Jermain! He is officially the Watch and Wash Challenge champion. Love it. These guys are from Buckhurst Hill FC, one of the clubs that has benefited from the Greener Game programme, an initiative from England Football and E.ON Next that aims to decarbonise grassroots clubs and help them lower their bills. Jermaine, I'll be honest, everyone said that you was the favourite to win, and you actually won. How you feeling?
Yeah, but I'm feeling good, but it was tight, I have to say. My
It
friend
wasn't
Tone,
really, but it's
Legend Ray.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but you know, it's good. Enjoyed it.
What are the lessons that you're going to teach these guys, you know, going into their careers moving forward?
I don't think they need much. I've seen a little bit today. Confident boys. Bucko still. I grew up not too far from there, but I'm recruiting at the minute as well. So, you know what I mean?
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yeah, exactly. So,
Thank you guys for taking part. Thank you for the trophy, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
cheers.